Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the best website from where you can learn artificial intelligence. So as you can see, we started a series in which I will tell you about the websites from where you can learn a particular skills. So let's get started. First of all, we will check that is there is a demand of artificial intelligence or not. So we will go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services and earn through it. So here I write in search bar artificial. I think I I write wrong spellings, but it's okay. There are only 859 services available, and I will develop website and apps with artificial intelligence. I will fast spokespersons with artificial intelligence multi-language. I will recreate your voice using artificial intelligence, develop artificial intelligence solutions. I will write blogs on artificial intelligence or machine learning. I will do artificial intelligence, chatbot, ML, Vertex AI, Python. This is our website. This is our gig. And I will do machine learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision in data. So first website, I will develop website and apps with artificial intelligence. He's a pro uh, Fiverr seller and he charged $2,000 for send your specification for a cutting edge intelligent system. And you can also read about his skills: data visualization, classification, problem solving, deep learning, computer vision, languages in ML libraries, and many more things. You can check out his gig description, but do not copy his gig. Take an idea and make your gig according to it after learning this skill. And after that, there is I will do artificial intelligence chatbot ML Vertex AI Python. Basic package he charged $100, in standard $135, in premium $250. And basic he will develop chatbot for your website and create Vertex AI model. In standard, custom object detection model for your dataset using YOLO or CNN and OpenCV. These are the libraries. And in premium, develop chatbot with website using API and deploy. So this is also a good skill and you can check out his gig also. After that, the third gig is I will do deep machine learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision in data science. Basic $80, standard $250, premium $500. In basic, he uh, serve basic machine learning model, data analysis or data visualization. In standard, sophisticated machine learning model, NLP, computer vision, custom machine learning model or latest technique for data analysis and visualization. So this is also a good, very good skill to work on. And check out their gigs and also check out the other freelancer gigs and make your gig according to it. So guys, I think Fiverr part is over now and let's go towards our websites. So first website is fast.ai from where you can read about AI blog. This is then AI blog. You can learn about AI from there and also they have some courses. Categories AI courses. Click on courses. Uh, Click on courses and here you can see different courses and you can learn through these courses. So this is the first website. After that, we will go towards our second website, which is deepai.org. This is also a very great website for artificial learning, artificial intelligence, and they also provide different avatars, games, AI characters, and you can also learn through it. After that, the last website, this is basically not a learning website. This is a website from where you can make your photos, images, videos with the help of AI. And the last website, which is called Open Course University, MIT Open Courseware, and where you can also learn deep learning and artificial intelligence courses. You just have to search here and I think net issue. So that's why you can also search it on your own. And I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And I will meet you in the next video with best websites for some other skills. And till then, keep learning. Goodbye.